Welcome to this YouTube channel, the world of piping and pipeline engineering. We're here with one of the most important topics in piping engineering. So be sure to subscribe our channel and watch this video until the end. SMAW pipeline welding. The art and science of pipes connection. Single beveling. One side of each pipe end is beveled to create a V-groove, which allows for better penetration and fusion during welding. Cleaning the workpiece. This is important to get rid of factors that contaminate the weld or contribute to weld imperfections. Pipe alignment. The pipes are carefully aligned and positioned to ensure a precise fit and optimal welding conditions. Preheating and grinding. The pipe ends are preheated and then ground to remove any surface contaminants and ensure proper bonding. Tacking. Temporary tack welds are applied to hold the pipes in place and maintain alignment during the welding process. Root pass welding. The first pass of welding, known as the root pass, is applied to fill the V-groove and create the initial bond between the pipe ends. Fill and cap pass welding. Additional passes of welding, known as fill and cap passes, are applied to complete the weld joint, ensuring full penetration and strength. This steps is repeated for all weld joints until the end of the pipeline. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, hit that subscribe button now to unlock all of our lessons and insights.